For the wired network connectivity test, I'm going to go into Network Test and Cloud, and then I'm going to connect to my link. And I can see I've got a 1 gig connection here, so I'm going to go into Network Tests. And we can see that we are discovering devices on the network. I can click on the icon of the tester, and this will work with both the Test Pro and the NSA. I'm doing this through the side Ethernet port, but you could also do it through the multi-gig PoE port on the NSA or on a Test Pro that has the ADNet cable adapter. So I can see information about the network that I've connected to. I can click on Switch Detail, and I can go ahead and get a switch detail test and find out all the information about the switch, what port I'm on, what VLAN, etc. Other tools that we've got in here, we've got ping and trace route. That switch detail button is in here as well. If you have access to a trunk port on a switch, you can do VLAN discovery. You've got a traffic generator in here. You've got TCP Connect, so you can test that. There's also Blink the switch port. Now the Blink switch port works on only the side Ethernet port, and I can click that and it will blink my switch port and blink it for 2 seconds and off for 2 seconds. You can also set that for 5 seconds or 10 depending on your preference. And then we see our discovered devices here. If I click on that, it will pull up a list of the IP addresses. I can turn on host name, and if I've got a host name broadcast on any of my devices, it'll show up here. You can click on any of these devices and ping them to make sure you can reach them. And that is the network discovery. You can also run an auto test and save this information for a report, and you can include a PDF report of this information for your customer.